Hello everyone. Today I wore the cap. Okay. So we're going to start a new chapter. Yesterday we have completed the geography one. Today we are going to start a new chapter of the civics, that is understanding advertising. That what is advertisement and why we need advertisement to do the advertisement of each and every product. Okay, when you are sitting in front of your TV or when you are using the mobile phone, each and every time you used to see that there is some advertisement is going on. Okay, related to a app or related to any product, there is advertisement going on while scrolling your screen on the mobile phone and also on the TV. When you see the television, there is for each and every, after each and every program or between of each and every program, there is some advertisement going on. Why we need the advertisement, why the advertisement is necessary. So we are going to study about that into this particular chapter. So what are the main points of related to it? Firstly we will learn about the introduction. Firstly we will get to know about the introduction of a particular chapter, that what is the use of advertisement. Second, what is the importance of the advertising, why we need to advertise for each and every product, or if you are opening a new shop, or if you are opening a new mart or mall, we need to advertise it into the particular market or into the particular area. So what is the importance of advertising? Second, advertising is important for seller, how advertisement is important for the seller. And third thing, advertising important for the customer, how advertisement is important for the customer. Also we are going to study about this into this particular chapter. Every day you see thousands of advertisement on the internet and on the billboard also, and on the hoardings of the school, on the way to the school also. When you come to the school and you have seen that there are so many hoardings at the main circle or at the main choraha, you have seen that there is so many hoardings, or there is advertisement of any political party, or there is any advertisement of any shop or any product. There is the hoarding, billboard or hoarding over there. So you have seen the advertisement. Second thing, into the television program, you used to see after each and every program or between of each and every program there is some advertisement. Then in this chapter we shall learn that as to what are advertisement all about, and how they play a role in our mind and lives, how advertisement is important for us and how it play a role into our mind and our lives. So we are going to study about that into this video. You have a name, obviously you have a name, and it identifies you. You have a name, it identifies you, such as I am talking about a particular boy which is studying into the class, that is Himanshu. Okay, he is named by his name is Himanshu. Okay, when I used to call him, I can't say that oye ladke idhar aa, no, or oye someone like that come here, and like that, or I point that particular boy, oye idhar aa, nah, we will not do like that. We will take a particular name of that boy. Yes, Himanshu come here, or when we say Adnan come here, or Jia come here, or we can say that Manshri come here. Just like that, if a particular person have a name, we can recognize him by his or her name. Imagine a world without a name. People are living over there, but you are not knowing a name of that particular person, or there is no any name of each and everything, just like animals. There is no any name of a particular animal. They can't call them as by their name. So people doesn't have any name, and you are going, how you are going to recognize that particular person. Obviously it is very difficult, it will get very difficult for you to recognize that particular person, because you are not knowing the name. just by face you are knowing that particular person. How you will call him that yes चिपटी नाक वाले इधर आ, टेढ़ी आँख वाले इधर आ, ओए क्या कहते हैं मोटे इधर आ, ओए पतले इधर आ. No 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 no. We need a particular name to recognize that person. Okay. So this similarly there is a family name or honor. There is family name or honor. People know and work for the family traditions. Okay, they hope, obviously if you are living in a family and if you are not there is no any recognition of that family, then how the people will recognize that particular person. Yes sir, हाँ, just like शर्मा जी की दुकान कहाँ पर है, या शर्मा जी का घर कहाँ पर है, या यादव जी का घर कहाँ पर है. Just like that, if we are not able if there will be no any surname or any name, we are not able to recognize the particular person's shop or any house. So it will get so much difficult for you. The hope to excel and live up the expectation and tradition of their family is the forefather. अब आपके दादा परदादा के टाइम से your grandfather and grandfather, then from these generation you are following the same surname along with different names. Okay, so if you are not known by that particular name, we are not able to recognize. Okay, you have here that how even an army has a regiment based on culture and religious bondage of the soldiers. In the army there is no any cultural or religious mountains. Okay, there is a regiment to recognize that particular troop of the army. Okay, so the particular name has been given to the regiment, that just like Punjab regiment, or we can say that yes, what do we say, Punjab regiment and Rajasthan regiment, just like that regiment name is been given to that particular troop of the army. So by that we can recognize the particular that the people is living over there. Sorry, the people who are into the army, into the troop. Those of you who come from smaller towns and villages would know how names and popularity sometimes work as addresses itself. If you are coming from a village, okay, you are going into the city, and if you want to meet a particular person, so that name and surname of that particular person, if he is famous into that area, you just show or you just tell that कि मुझे शर्मा जी का घर बता दीजिए, ये आलोक शर्मा का घर कहाँ पर है या फिर इनका घर कहाँ पर है. Then after that the particular person will tell you yes, his home is just beside the hospital or just beside the shop. You just go straight and you will get his house. So these sometimes the name work very effectively, that we can go at a particular place or a particular house of that person very easily. Next, Dr. Shah, such as if there is a fame or publicity, then due to the recognition we can know there is an example is there, we can know that particular thing, such as Dr. Sham House, lawyer Subhas flat, or maybe enough of people to direct you to this address. Hairstyles are also named as on popular stars also. If you are taking a hairstyle of that popular star, that मुझे सलमान खान style चाहिए, या I want Shah Rukh Khan style, or I want Ranbir Kapoor style, just like that. Okay, so there is a hairstyle, or there is a hairstyle name is also given on the name of particular star. So if such as Sadhana cut got its name from a particular hairstyle of a film star, but in the same time the name of an honor joined together. So many people refrain from doing something which may tarnish their clean image and that made them famous. Okay, such as some people have done so much work related to the country, such as Subhash Chandra Bose, So the particular Chauraha or particular road has been given the name that Subhash Chandra Bose Road or Subhash Chandra Bose Chauraha, just like that. So the name is being jointed to that particular place according to their work, that what they have done for the country or anything what they have done beneficial for that particular country. So the name is joined to them. So that is the particular thing that the name plays a very important role into our life. Okay, there are many similarities in the business world with the above companies have name to so do products, and products are get to the name of the company, such as Lux Sabun, Lux soap, okay, and such as Pierce soap. These type of companies used to give their name to a particular product by which product get advertised, and the qualities must be shown to the people, and people get attracted to that particular product and buy it more and more, just like that. So for this purpose the advertisement is so much necessary. What is the importance of advertisement? That is, advertising play a very important role in today's age of competition. Advertising has become a necessity of everybody in today's day-to-day life, be it the producer, the traders and the customer. Let us take a look at how and why advertising is important. Advertisement important for the seller. Advertising plays a very important role for the producer and the seller of the products, because if any company wants to launch a new product in the market, obviously it will show that that particular product is so much necessary for you. It is so much effective product and it will work on you very properly, such as that Clinic Plus shampoo, such as that Sunsilk shampoo, such as that Dove shampoo and Pantene and L'Oreal and that Tresemme. These type of shampoo used to advertise their product. These type of companies used to advertise their product that it looks so much effective and people get attracted to that particular product. If you use that particular shampoo and your hair will just silky and shiny, it will blow it like in the air, it will blow like that, and you will look like so fabulous just because of that advertisement. It wants to show you like that, and you will get so much oh, that product is so good, we will purchase it and our hair will blow in the air. So these type of things people used to get attracted, so company used to attract people to purchase that particular product, and lots and lots of purchasing of that product make that company the company makes so much benefits related to that. Okay, so advertising help the producer and the companies to know that the competitors and the plans to bring out products that can match the level of the companies. Okay, next, advertising helps to create goodwill for the company and gain customer loyalty. If they will not show that yes, that particular product is working on their hair or on their body, then how the customer will know that the company is showing loyalty to that product and they are giving the best product to them. So advertisement used to tell the people that this product is so much beneficial for you and it will effective to your particular hair or to your particular skin. So these type of things is what they want to tell in by advertising, and customer will get attracted to that particular product, and that particular amount is being gained by the company. Advertising helps to create and increase the demands of the product. If we advertise that particular product, it creates a demand. Yes, if you are attracted related to the Tresemme or Dove or that Pantene product or L'Oreal product, then you will get that particular company will gain more and more money from you, will take more and more money from you, and they will that money will be profitable to them. So that's why they used to do the advertisement to sell their product and to gain the money. This is the meaning of advertisement. So this has been, up to this we have completed. Next we will get to know the advertisement, how it is important to the customer, then how it is important to the society. Thank you so much.